Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm SUA and I'm here to make your day. So first of all, this is my new hair and I hope you have seen my previous video, and if you haven't watched my previous video, I'll link it down in the description. Please do watch it. It is the first video of my birthday series. I'll be really happy if you watch that video. So for today's video, as you have read by the title, I'm gonna be making clay rings and earrings for myself for my birthday. So last year I hadn't done any videos of this sorts which has like a birthday series type videos, but this year I thought why not do a birthday series as my birthday is coming closer. So this video is the second video of the birthday series, and I guess there will be one or two more videos in this series and then it will be done. I have already made clay earrings on my channel before. This will be the second or third time I'll be making clay earrings on my channel, but the first time I'll be making clay rings. So I'm gonna be matching all the earrings or rings which I'm gonna be making in this video to my birthday dress which I have already bought. So in this video you will have a clue of the color of my birthday dress. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do in today's video, and let's get started. You guys have already seen the process of me making clay earrings in my previous videos. If not, I'll attach the link in the description and also will attach an iCard on the top right hand side. The only extra thing I've tried this time is adding color, which I did by adding soft pastel powder so that I can get the colors and I don't have to paint it later. So I made these small shapes so that I can add them on the rings I'd made, and also I had to paint them before doing it, so I kept it separate. And this is the ring which I'd wanted to make from a long time, so made this chunky ring, and these are few other simple normal rings on which I'm gonna be adding the small shape. And these are the earrings I'd made, gonna be adding a gloss coat which will be transparent nail polish. So these are the final end product of the earrings after the application of the gloss layer. These are small stars which I'll be sticking it onto one of the rings I'd made. These are few rings I made but didn't add color or paint them because I wasn't sure what color should I paint. This is a small petri dish kind of thing which I made with the leftover colored clay because I didn't want to waste it. We can keep small things in it like rings or necklaces and keep it on the dressing table. So this is how the ring looks finally after adding the star. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the art session of this video. I will attach the pictures in the next clip. So that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed and loved the products which I had made. I personally loved the earrings a lot and they turned out really pretty and really aesthetic, and they also look really professional. And if I would give this to my friend as a gift and never told her that I made them, obviously she wouldn't make it out. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. As I said earlier, my birthday is coming nearer and I'll try to make more videos so that the number of videos in my birthday series is more. So let me know in the comments below which part of the video did you like, and do you want me to do another part of making clay rings and earrings. Also let me know if you have any more suggestions to add for my birthday series. Please do subscribe to my channel, it will mean a lot to me, and the ratio of subscribed to not subscribed is very less, and people who are watching which have not subscribed to my channel is a huge percentage, and here is the analytics. So please do subscribe to my channel, it will mean a lot to me and it will help me grow. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.